Hey there, welcome back to Garage Door Guidance. In today's video, I just want to show you guys how to program the limits on a Genie belt drive garage door opener. I'll be standing off to the side here, just kind of show you guys how to do this, but we're going to be using these plus, minus, and set buttons here on the bottom of the garage door opener. We always want to make sure that the garage door is obviously latched in first off into the little carriage. So once you've confirmed that your garage door opener is actually latched in and ready to be programmed, you go to those buttons, and we're going to start by programming the up position. And the way we do that is by pressing and holding the plus sign. We hold it for about 2 seconds and then let go. And you should have a little blue indicator light flashing saying you're ready to program the up position. At that point, you press and hold the plus button and you'll start bringing this up. If you let go, it does stop, because again, this will allow you to fine tune it. So go ahead and press and keep holding as you bring this up. So we usually want to bring it up most of the ways. I usually stop a little bit short, and that way I can fine tune it and get it to where I want it. So just tap it and bring it to the spot you want, usually just a little above the header. At which point you hit the set button. Once you hit the set button, you should get a little green light indicating you've set it. Now we need to set the closing position, and we do that about the same way. We press and hold the minus sign instead, and you let go and press it again to start closing this. You bring it down, same thing, you can stop about a couple inches short of the bottom and just tap it for some fine tuning, because you do want it to stop as soon as it hits the ground. And same thing, we just hit the set button, and you should get that same green indicator light on those little lights on the bottom of the opener. And at that point you have set the limits, so you should be able to test it with your wall control or remote like we're doing here. And that should be it for setting the limits on a Genie belt drive. Hopefully that was simple enough. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome day.